Purchase's babies eat their first bowl of mush. Now, as you can see, Waylon on the left, or Willie on the left, is all about it. Now, Waylon on the right, the little white one, he's not so certain about this thing his brother's doing. But I think he's about to figure it out. He says, I think I can eat this stuff. It's got milk in it. And it tastes alright. I like it. Yay! The babies have their first mush meal. Things are about to get much calmer around here.